Ever wondered how your phone predicts the next word before you finish typing? Or how AI systems guess the next phrase in a conversation? Let's explore the science behind language modeling, a field where machines try to anticipate what comes next, much like we do when we're talking. But here's the twist. Some models are just guessing, while others are learning to think before they speak. Most AI models, like ChatGPT or GPT-4, rely on next word prediction, a technique where the model guesses the next word based on patterns it's seen in vast amounts of text. For example, if you type, "I like fruits, so for lunch I ate 2, it might suggest pears. But this approach has a flaw. It prioritizes fluency over accuracy. The model can sound convincing without truly understanding context, leading to errors or even fabricated facts. So how do we teach AI to think deeper? Researchers at Arizona State University developed Bottlenecked Next Word Exploration, a method that forces models to reason before predicting. Instead of just picking the most likely word, Bo requires the model to generate a reasoning path, a step-by-step explanation of why a word fits. Take the same sentence. "I like fruits, so for lunch I ate 2, the model might think. The subject likes fruits, so the next word should be a fruit. Since they ate 2, it's likely something that comes in pairs, like apples or pears. This isn't just random guessing, it's a structured logic trail. Here's the clever part. A separate judge model evaluates this reasoning. Think of it as a teacher grading a student's homework. The judge doesn't just check if the answer is right. It analyzes the logic and predicts the next word based on that reasoning. If the path makes sense, the model gets a reward. This reward isn't about memorizing answers. It's about teaching the AI to prioritize logical consistency over mere probability. Let's break down how this works. First, researchers filtered massive text datasets to identify sentences where the next word required contextual understanding, not just grammar. For example, she opened the box and found isn't just about syntax, it's about reasoning. Is it a gift? A surprise? A snake? Spoiler, probably not a snake. They then turned these ambiguous cases into next word challenges, training the AI to weigh possibilities like a human would. Finally, they validated results by plugging answers back into sentences to ensure they made sense. It's like giving the AI a logic puzzle and making sure the solution isn't just random. Why does this matter? If we can teach AI to think like humans, using context, common sense, and structured reasoning, they'll become better at tasks like writing coherent stories, solving complex problems, or even understanding emotions. It's like giving them a mental workout to become smarter, more flexible tools. Next time your phone guesses a word, remember, it's not just luck. It's doing a tiny version of the same reasoning we use every day to make sense of the world. And that's pretty cool. Want to see how this works in action? Let's crack open a real example.